Welcome back. 6:14. President Joe Biden working to increase COVID-19 vaccinations while he's also calling on states to keep mask mandates in place. This comes as we are seeing cases increase. Washington correspondent Kelly Meyer joining us live right now with a look at the president's efforts as federal officials say they are scared of what's to come. Good morning, Kelly.
Good morning, Bill. Federal officials say while there is hope, there is still a lot to be concerned about. Daily cases are growing in 30 states and here in D.C. as the White House is doubling down on efforts to keep the numbers under control.
We need to go faster.
President Joe Biden is speeding up efforts to get more shots in American arms as the number of COVID-19 cases begin to rebound.
With cases rising again, new variants are spreading.
The president says 90% of American adults will be eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine by April 19th, and that there will be vaccination sites within 5 miles of 90% of all Americans.
By growing from having 17,000 pharmacies giving out vaccination shots to nearly 40,000 pharmacies.
So much reason for hope. But right now, I'm scared.
CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky warned of impending doom if the country keeps on its current track. She's asking Americans to limit travel and is warning governors against reopening too fast.
Now is one of those times when I have to share the truth, and I have to hope and trust you will listen.
Urging local leaders to keep mask mandates in place and telling states to wait to reopen businesses. Help for businesses is set to be extended today as the president signs the Paycheck Protection Program Extension Act into law later this afternoon.
Kelly, I'm kind of curious here. You know, we're expecting to get this report from the World Health Organization. They've been talking about the origin of this virus. Any idea as to what we're expected to hear?
Yeah, we are expecting to hear that the transmission of this virus from bats to humans through another animal is the most likely scenario, and that the lab leak is, quote, extremely unlikely. But China put tight limits on the WHO team investigating the outbreak, and a network did an investigation that found the WHO inquiry was far from comprehensive because they say the Chinese government withheld information.
Yeah, obviously that's something that is going to keep a lot of doubt in the minds of a lot of people. Kelly, appreciate it. Have a good morning.